Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by protecting your data. Update iOS and do a full local backup to a Mac or PC. Once done, check Settings Your Name to list active iCloud services like Photos, Backup, Drive, and Messages. You must free about 10% of device storage so downloads succeed. Now decide which iCloud services you want offloaded to local storage. Make that decision before toggling anything. It prevents accidental data removal. Next, open Settings to stop automatic cloud syncing for chosen. You disable syncing step by step. First, turn off iCloud backup to avoid new backups taking space in iCloud while you migrate. Then disable iCloud photos. When prompted, choose Download and keep originals so your device downloads full-resolution photos to local storage. Make sure there's enough space. Large libraries can take hours. Next, disable iCloud Drive and Messages in iCloud so files and conversations remain on the phone. Once toggled, monitor storage in Settings to confirm files are downloading. You finish by confirming everything lives on the device. Check Settings General iPhone storage to verify photos, apps, and files show local size. If downloads stall, make sure the phone is on Wi-Fi, plugged in, and unlocked. Large transfers pause on low power or cellular. If something disappeared or a sync removed content, restore from the backup you created at the start. Finally, reduce iCloud storage plans if desired, and only keep cloud services you actually need.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.